better known as the Andux Land trainer. So recently I'd been looking to buy a new trainer. I'd had my Squiddy for a while and was getting kind of bored of it. So I went onto Instagram. Most of the stuff on there was either live or over $300, so I wasn't into that. So I ended up buying this. And I mean, after doing some of Hirsch's mods, this is a pretty good flipper overall. But before we get on the flipping, I want to talk about the look. So this is a clone of the ELB Mamba, except with a trainer blade instead of a live one. Its handles come in orange, red, or black. In my opinion, the orange looks the best. And the blade is in silver. And this flips better than the Squiddy. The bearings give it a very good tap and play that doesn't change much over time if you tighten it correctly. And it's just a better beginner Balisong. And for anyone who's wondering what it sounds like, here is a bit of Balisong flipping ASMR. Thank you guys for tuning into my video again. It means a lot that you guys are here. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time I get a Balisong.